What?
Oh my god.
Hello everyone, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to assemble and how to play this catapult V1 that I designed and printed using a plywood. So let's go straight to the point. So the first one is you need to attach this rubber band so that the catapult will work. So how to do that? So there is a hole right here. What you want to do is just put inside this hole and loop it back from below like this. Loop it back into another hole and then you will get it like this. So put it in one of these rubber band slot and just pull it like this. Now pull this from the middle top like this, okay, and you just like that. You can see where the rubber band goes here and it hang around to the neck of this catapult. Now you have a working catapult. Okay, now this catapult have its own ammo. So this is one type of ammo which is circular, okay, and also you have this type of ammo. This is I printed it in a shape of a warhead, and you can use it like this. Just pull it backwards and place the warheads and you can literally shoot it just like that. Now it also works with this circular ammo. Just put it in that and just shoot it like that. Okay, how to adjust the angle of this catapult. So this is a 3D printed part where different size will affect the angle of your catapult. So let's say I take this one. This will affect the angle and make it, you just attach it here like this, so it will hit it like that. It will affect the angle, making it move downwards. So if I change into a thicker one like this, it will make the ammo move upwards instead of downwards. So you can play around with this attachment and you can see different type of attachment, different sizes will affect the angle of your ammo. So that's it. Thank you for watching and enjoy playing this catapult.